Hey, what's up, guys? Today is January the 6th, Monday, the new beginning of a week. So I went out and did 2 consultations this morning. Actually, both was in Stone Mountain, Georgia, and they both booked on the spot. I'm going to be doing one of them. It's a UV cure screen and recoat this Thursday. So let me show you guys what we're doing. We're out here in Swan, Georgia. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Yo. They actually found me on Google. I did come out and give them a consultation last week. She booked on the spot. We're going to be doing some wax removal and also a screen and recoat. It's a little bit about 726 square feet. So let me flip this around and show you what we're doing today. So again, we are in Swanee, Georgia. Beautiful neighborhood. And then after this, we're going to go do a consultation for a client that called me yesterday in Houston, Georgia. So I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing. Got some wood floors, got a little residue on them. Just kind of show you guys, especially up in the kitchen. See those little divots, see how they're dark? But if you see right here, that's basically some residue, mostly from wax on the floors. That's why it looks so dark, and that's why you see footprints. See that? That's a footprint. So especially like up in here. And she did tell me they tried to clean it themselves, and then she said, Courtney, it was not worth it. So you see it all right here. You look really close. See that? That's wax buildup on the floor. All around the kitchen, all right there. See right here? That's wax. See all right here? That's wax. All up in here, that's wax. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, is I already got the machine set up. About to start pre-treating the floors. Going to be doing this area, all of this right here in the kitchen, and then coming through here, we already taped off the carpet, and then this dining room. Let me close the front door, and this foyer. She does have a few boards that are warped from like maybe water damage, and I told her I would refer her to one of my sanding guys they'll probably just replace that board right there. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. How much better these floors look now. Now I'm going to go ahead and screen the floors down. Just booked another paid consultation for Wednesday. And what I do, guys, I give my clients options, well, my potential clients options. The first option is send me pictures and also measurements, or just pictures of the whole entire area. And that way I can give them a rough estimate. And I will say about 80% of my jobs are booked that way. But then you do have those clients that say, you know what, Courtney, we'll just pay you for the consultation. That's really just to cover, time, gas, wear and tear, things like that. So when you really break it down, $75 is really, nothing. And it also helps separate the ones who's serious and the one who's not. So I just booked my second paid consultation for Wednesday. But guys, look at these floors, man. These floors look amazing. Now, looking from the camera, they do look good that we have removed all that wax buildup, but these floors are definitely in need of some new finish. So now we're going to screen the floors down, get the floor screened, and that's going to prep the floors for new finish. But man, these floors came out amazing. Amazing. All right, guys, stay tuned. Got the finish going down, as you can see. Just booked another consultation, a paid consultation for Thursday. Engineer floor, he did send me pictures, but he still wants me to come by on Thursday. And yeah, a lot of missing veneer, so definitely gonna be a good color correction, screen and recoat. All right, guys, we want to get this finished down. Then we're gonna go do a consultation, like I said, in Houston, and that's perfect time because it's like a 40-minute drive, and that's enough time for the floors to dry here, and then come back and do our walkthrough with the client. And then I have a one-on-one coaching session later today with the student. All right, guys, stay tuned. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, guys, just got back when they did that consultation in Houston, Georgia. They booked on the spot for this Saturday, wax, just like this job, wax removal, screen and recoat. So let's go ahead and look at the floors. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man, look at that floor, guys. Amazing. Remember all that wax that was all right here? Wow. Nice, 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 nice results. Remember all that wax that was right here? Oh, that finish looks amazing. The satin finish. Oh man, guys, end up booking seven consultations today. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, let's go up in here. So I'm gonna pull the tape up. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, that looks so good. All right, guys. Well, how does it look? You're admiring my work, yes.
Like matte.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I would want that, you know?
Yep.
For some reason, I thought it was still going to be like that shiny thing.
No, we don't do.
It looks way better.
It looks way better. You know why? It makes the floors look natural.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why a lot of my clients don't go with the glosses. Yeah. They want the floors to look natural.
I like that.
You like that? Yes. Yep. This looks so good. I told you, all you need was a good cleaning, get all that polish off, screen it, recoat it. And you can just, now you can, oh, I'm going to put this back. There's just a little filter.
Oh,
so you just, yeah, it's slide it.
It's probably 30.
Yep.
Wow.
Yes.
And you're right, like, I can't really see it.
No,
You know what I mean?
yep.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
That's so cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right, guys. And also, too, what was your client's, your friend's name that used me?
Say it's S-E-Y.
Was she moving into that, it was that big white house, and she was moving in?
It was like a new home.
It was a new home, because I cleaned the buffer floors. Because yes.
Her builder.
Her
like,
builder,
to
yes.
Whatever thing is, she wanted it flat.
I remember her. So did you tell her after you hired me or before?
Well, no, like I was thinking, like, so I saw her review and I was gonna reach out to her, but I didn't, because I was like, I'm just gonna use.
Yeah, because she left me a Google review.
But then, like, I went to a little get together yesterday, and she was there, and I was like, hey, like, I was gonna reach out and da 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 da. And then she's like, yeah, I did my floors, and then she was telling me she got 3,000 square foot of wood. And I was like, oh wow, that's a lot of wood.
Yeah, I did the whole house, the upstairs and downstairs. She has a huge home.
Yeah.
Well, nice. Well, that's good that my name is being circulated through the community in a good way.
Yeah, now.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Happy client. See you in the next one.